everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Are you trying to go live on Facebook but it's not working? Don't worry, in this video I will show you quick and easy steps to fix Facebook Live problems on your phone. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Facebook Live needs strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Use the search icon at the top right and search Facebook. Go to Permissions and make sure camera and microphone permissions are enabled. Second step, update and clear cache. Outdated versions can cause Live to crash. For that, open the Play Store or App Store. Search for Facebook and tap Update if available. If it's already updated, clear the app cache. For that, open Phone Settings. Again, find this option called Apps. Search Facebook. Scroll down and go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Sometimes Facebook restricts live access if you have violated community guidelines. For that, go to facebook.com/support. I'll use my Chrome for this. And here I will go to facebook.com/support. Or you can also check your account quality in the app to see if there are any restrictions. Also, make sure your account is verified and you're logged in to the correct profile or page. And if Live still won't start, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. You can also try logging in from another phone to check if it's a device issue. And that's it. After these steps, Facebook Live should start working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more app fix tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.